All right, everybody, I'm going to introduce you to a Christmas present that I received, and this thing is awesome. This is actually an egg cooker, and man, I'll tell you what, nothing could be more handy than being off grid and having something that can cook eggs, because we get lots of eggs. This is just today's haul right here. So I'm always trying to get these eggs cooked and keep them so they don't go bad. And what this thing does here, this is a Dash, and that's the brand. And basically it'll come with instructions, but you see here it's like a little, looks like a little crock pot kind of thing. There's a button on the front here, and there's instructions, and it'll show you how to cook eggs. You can actually make omelets. This is the omelet plate. You can make poached eggs. This is a poached egg plate. And you can make hard-boiled eggs, which is what I'm setting up to do here. So basically there's a little carousel here, and it comes with this little measuring cup, and what you do is you just simply put water in this measuring cup. So you can see here it'll give you the line for whatever you're trying to make, and then of course with the hard-boiled eggs you can see how much water you put in. So if you want soft-boiled egg, medium-boiled, or hard-boiled egg, this is the amount of water you're going to put in this thing. So what's cool is I'll fill this thing up with water, and then I'm just going to dump it in the little tray underneath here, press the button, and just wait for it to signal when it's done, and you'll have your hard-boiled eggs. Now there is one more step here we got to take, which is kind of odd. I didn't know anything like this even existed. But so what you do here is this cup has a little pin in it, right? And what you're going to do with this pin is you're going to take and you're going to pop a hole in each one of these eggs like this, and it actually, I can't do it with my hand on the camera, but you're going to grab each egg, and then you're just going to take it and put a little pinhole in the top of it. I guess that's how it cooks it better. And that's the only step you really have to take with this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you guys how this works. There's the water. Hopefully I can show you guys how this thing works. I know my hands are dirty. I'm doing a lot of stucco work here. So that's it. You just put a little pinhole on the top of it like that. And do that for all the eggs. So I'll do this one. These are dirty a little bit because I just got them out of the coop. Boom. Okay, so I got the eggs in the little crock pot cooker thing here, and the way it works is you just press this button right here, and when the water is off, completely evaporated off of the bottom tray here, this thing has a little sensor in it, and it'll start playing music. And once it plays music, that's how you know that your eggs are cooked, however you're cooking them. So really cool little tool here. I really love this thing. So yeah, so I'm just going to go right outside the door here and do some stucco work and wait for this to be done. Uh-oh. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now it would appear that my eggs are done. So you can hear the sound this thing makes. Cute little song. And then all you do is you press the button. Turns it off. Take this out. It even has a little handle for the carousel. You can see where the holes where the egg starts popping out a little bit. Take the carousel out like that. Now I'm just going to put it in water. Get those eggs here in nice cold water. Just let them soak in that. Done. And that's how you cook hard-boiled eggs. Now we're going to go to poached eggs. Alright, so finally we have poached eggs. Now it also makes omelets, but I'm not doing omelets because the process is just the same except for you mix the eggs up in this little bowl. So with poached eggs you can make 2 at a time, and as you can see here I like to put pepper and salt on these before I cook them. So do the same thing. You just put the lid on, you fill up the cup to the level it tells you to, and you press the button. there you have it. There's some poached eggs. So that's that, folks. Like I said, definitely something you should consider. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon, and you will definitely use it out here. Talk to you soon.